friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making mashed potatoes in the Instant Pot. For this easy mashed potatoes recipe, we need 8 potatoes, 1 cup of water for pressure cooking, salt and pepper for the seasonings, 1 stick of butter, and milk. So first I'm going to peel the potatoes and cut them into pieces. So now I've peeled the potatoes and cut them into quarters. And let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And I will add 1 cup of water and peeled and quartered potatoes. And now I'll close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 10 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here are perfectly cooked potatoes. So now I'm going to mash them and add milk, butter, and seasonings. So I can press cancel on the Instant Pot so it stops cooking. And we can just use this pot to mash it in. And you don't need to even drain it. So I'm just going to mash it in the pot with a potato masher. So it's great that you don't have to drain the potatoes. It's less work for you. So I'll mash the potatoes with the cooking water. And now I'm going to add butter. So I just have 1 stick of butter. I'm going to cut it into pieces and add it. And just sprinkle it with some salt and pepper to taste. And you can add a little bit of milk, and you just add as much milk as you like, depending on how runny you'd like your mashed potatoes. And you can always add more seasonings and milk later as you mash it. So just mash it until all the butter is incorporated. Perfect, our mashed potatoes are ready. And now let me transfer the mashed potatoes out of the Instant Pot into a bowl. Look how delicious and creamy, perfect mashed potatoes. Amazing. It's so easy making mashed potatoes in the Instant Pot. No need to drain, and they have amazing taste and texture. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. Amazing. They taste as good as they look. You're gonna love making mashed potatoes in the Instant Pot. It's so much easier than on a stove. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!